let's just dive right into it. So the next thing we're going to talk about right now is Jesus Maria. It's located in Old Havana. The actual street that it's on is Jesus Maria, hence the name. The cross streets are Mercaderes and San Ignacio. It's open from 12 to 12, so you have a good late night find in case you guys are, kind of out and things like that. You can. It's about 3 stories or so.
I think it's 2 stories. 3 stories.
Yeah. Like 2 or 3 stories. It has a real artsy feel. There's tons of art all over the place. The ambiance is really cool, calm, and collective. So if you like that kind of thing, it's a great place to go. It reminds me of Miami. It's a great escape from the hustle and bustle of Havana. We didn't have a lot of people there when we went, and I kind of liked it that way. It seemed a little more intimate. The prices are definitely higher than going to El Dandy's or what's the other place? Mojito. But you get a different feel from it. Okay, let me tell you about the good folks there at Jesus Maria. So we went for her birthday. Went to Cuba for her birthday, and I wanted to do something special for her and surprise her when we got there. So I had arranged for them on Instagram. So I hit them up. I told them, hey, I'm bringing my girlfriend to Cuba, and I want to do something special. So I want to see if you guys can bring out some cake and sing happy birthday. And they were absolutely on board with it. So when we got there, she had no idea. I let them know I was the one we were talking to, and blah blah yada yada.
When did you even let them know that? I feel like I was around you the whole time.
You walked up first. You walked in the door first, and I was like, I was the one that was talking to you guys on Instagram. That was me.
Real stealthy.
Yeah. So then I told them after we eat, I wanted to bring them out. Long story short.
Oye, muchas gracias. No, gracias a ustedes. Muchachas. Y el ceviche estaba tan bueno que me van a salir hasta escamas y todo.
¡Vida!
Gracias.
Te amo todo. Mucha felicidad.
Gracias.
Blow the candle.
Okay.
Make a wish.
¿Me lo voy a comer así?
Claro, con la mano.
Pues verdad, ¿por qué no?
Oh, man, so good.
It's so good.
What's that?
It's like caramel.
It's like a brownie, right?
Mm-hmm.
So as you can see, she was totally surprised. She loved the cake. The ambiance was set. It was perfect. She loved it. She had no idea what was going on until they hit her with the surprise happy birthday. And it wouldn't have been possible without the good folks there at Jesus Maria. So, and then what did you have? You had some type of taco or something?
No, I
had tacos.
Taco.
I'm lying. I had tacos.
I had fish.
I had 3 different tacos. I had like carne asada, pollo, and something else. I can't remember, but they were good. Personally, not better than El Dandy, but they were good. Okay.
Yeah, I think I had like snapper and some morro and ceviche and
you had some type of fish. I remember that you had some type of fish.
That's a snapper.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, and a lot of rum.
Yeah, so we had drinks and everything. So long story short, we go with our good friend Ruben. I met him the last time I was in Cuba. And he was very nice to come meet us for dinner that night, and we had a great time. We had cigars up there.
Hey, people from Guatemala can do it. Okay, we need cigar. We need to have some cigar left.
We had, alcohol, great food. The music was great. There wasn't live bands, but it was still a good ambiance. It's on the higher end side, so be prepared to pay a little extra for similar type foods like Mojito and El Dandy. But nevertheless, it was still a great experience. I think that's something everybody should experience if you can fit it into your budget.
I was just about to wait till you were done talking to say, and they had the best cake I had, the best birthday cake I had while I was there. It was my favorite birthday cake. I got sang to happy birthday 4 or 5 times, and hands down, they had my favorite cake.
Yeah, she tore it up, and she's not even like a sweet tooth person like me. I'm the sweet tooth person.
Yeah, I don't really like
I love the sweets. I love them.
I didn't share my cake.
Love them.
is my cake.
And she's like a sweet, she's more of a salty type of person. She
I
likes
am
the salt, like the chips and
absolutely
the
like salt.
yeah, I'm more of the sweets. So that's what I guess together we make kettle
Pickles.
corn.
Really? That's a good one, I guess
True.
so, huh?
But definitely a great place to try. It's located in Old Havana as well. And I'd say from a 1 to a 10, I would give it maybe like a 7. You know, only a 7 because the price is a little pricey. I would have liked to pay a little less, but I did enjoy my experience, and they were very helpful with helping me surprise her for her birthday. So
would you go again?
I would go again. Yeah, I would order something different to be able to compare. There's so many places to eat out there. I definitely want to compare.
I would definitely go again, even if I just went to have a drink and smoke a cigar, because the ambiance is at this rooftop, so you can look over Old Havana. That part is actually kind of pretty cool.
Yeah. Yep. So, what would you give it? 1 to 10. What would you give Jesus Maria?
I'd give it a 7, like a solid 7. And
Yeah.
I would say I liked the food, but it wasn't the best food I had. But it was good. And
so maybe you should start with that and then go to the other places. So then you just build up from there.
Yeah.
It just depends. So it's up to you, but that's something that we enjoyed. She loved it. I loved it.
It was great.
It's just a little bit on the pricey side. That's the only con to it.
Yeah, pretty much. This is Puffy McGoldberg back here. We're not toasting.
No,
That went too high.
try to make it like a pinky swear. Try to make it like
I
a
know
pinky
it.
swear.